Alright, I'm back with the Kx125. Just installed a new pipe on it. That's me. It looks pretty good. Haven't heard what it's gonna sound like with this pipe on it. You guys all heard, or most of you heard what the other pipe sounded like on it. So this is cold start. I haven't did anything to it yet. Oh, still having a problem. Sorry. Where can we? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but I don't know why it's puking out like that. There we go. Sounds pretty good. I'm not sure why it puked out, but like, comment, subscribe.